Technical operator ng DTF ito sa branch ng Metrotown na may 6 na row na bilang at meron total of 65 meters. At ito naman po yung printer head natin. At ito po yung damper. At ito naman yung cupping na may 90% good condition po. Head clean. After head clean, punasan natin ng wiper. Kompleto naman po yung nozzle test natin. Ink system natin, tama lang ang label. At ito naman po yung gun wire natin. Waste tank, kakapalit lang ngayong araw. At ito naman yung ABR. At ito yung mga use, unused. Stock natin ng DTF powder, DTF fill. At ito naman yung daily output record natin. At ito naman yung consumable withdrawal. At weekly physical inventory report po. At ito naman po yung DTF monthly maintenance checklist natin. Salamat po.